Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Today I want to show you how to manipulate orange in Photoshop very nicely. Let's start. This is our main object. Unhide it. I will work on this. At first select Quick Selection tool from the toolbar. Then click on Select Subject. OK, the orange is selected. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. And rename it orange. Now select this layer. Change the mode from normal to multiply. Then click on Adjustments, and choose Levels. Click to clip the layer, and drag it a little to left. Come back to Layer panel. Select the shadow layer, then right-click on this thumbnail, and select Pixels. Select this layer. Make sure that the foreground color is white, and click here to add layer mask. Now hide these two layers. Only remains the shadow. Select the layer mask. Then select brush by pressing B on the keyboard, and brush on the corners to remove it. Make sure the brush color is black. OK, that's well. Unhide all the layers. Zoom in here to see details. I have to fix the edges. Select the mask of this layer. Go to Filter, Other, and Maximum. A little good, but 2 pixels are better. If you're satisfied, click OK. This is just shadow, and this is our main object. Select the layer, then select Quick Selection tool, and zoom in here. Now select the orange on this half. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. Select Move tool, and drag it here. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Adjust scale, and position. Now select its layer. Then select Pen tool. Zoom in to work better. And draw a path. When finished, press Ctrl Enter to select. Then press Ctrl Shift J to make a new layer. Bring its layer up. But here it is added outside our scope. To fix this, right-click on the thumbnail of this layer, and select Pixels. Go to Select, and inverse the selection. Now select its layer and hold Alt and click on the mask so that it remains only inside our selection. Well, I detached its layer from the main object. Select its layer, and change the mode from normal to hard light. For better adjustment, select its layer, then click on Adjustments, and choose Black and White. Click here to clip to layer. OK, now it's perfect. Come back to Layer panel. Select this layer, and set the opacity to 80%. Now this is better. Let me bring another PNG image. Adjust the size and position. Now select and lower the layer. Select Adjustment Layer, then right-click, and create Clipping Mask. Select its layer again and adjust the position slightly. OK, that's well. Now press Ctrl J to make another copy. Select the lower layer, and change the mode to multiply. Then select the upper layer, and add a mask to layer. Select the brush. Change the foreground color to black. And brush on the white area to remove it. Also fix the edges to seem more realistic. Okay, it looks good. This is shadow. This one is the main object, and this is the transparent cover. Now let me bring another object. Scale the size and adjust the position. Bring the layer up. Again I bring another object. Scale the size, and adjust the position. Bring the layer under the transparent layer. It's good here. Set the opacity to 70%. Adjust the position a little. Okay, this is done. Hope you liked it. Please follow me for more useful and effective videos. Thanks for watching.